This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install free third-party app that goes by the name of TurboVPN. So let me quickly launch the Play Store and get the aforementioned app. Once the app is ready, you will need to obviously launch it. In here, tap the green continue button, then wait a few moments. Skip this ad, and finally, in order to connect the smartphone to VPN, tap at the caret icon, confirm the connection request, and as you can see, our smartphone was successfully connected to VPN. While at it, you can change the particular server, country, or even the city that you are connected to by tapping over here and selecting the preferred server that you would like to use. And finally, if you would like to turn off the VPN connection, simply tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.